and that would be Pulse Motors. Finally got some magnets. Someone has donated some magnets, and you know who you are, and I greatly appreciate it. It would probably take me months and months to get some magnets. Money is very, very tight, so again, you know you are, greatly appreciate it. I have a ½ inch, a 1/4 inch, and an inch Neo sphere. I believe they're 42 in, and also one cylinder magnet that is 3/4 with a 1/4 inch hole. I've got bearings and bearings and bearings and more bearings, like small type bearings. I mean, they're everywhere. I got them out of hard drives and such, and they're all metric, and that's standard. So I'm working on some bearings for that. Okay, so what I'd like to show you is a couple of things, what I've learned so far, what I'm doing, what I'm going to do. As you can see, I've taken apart a few, just a few fans out of PCs, and they have Hall sensors in them. Now they have different type of Hall sensors, they're all set up different. The particular one that I got out of a certain fan motor is just a 3-prong, positive and negative, and your signal out. The signal is high and then goes low whenever whenever it senses something, or the north or south side of a magnet. Now other fans have this very tiny Hall sensor chip, which has actually got 4 prongs. It's actually got 2 signal outputs, a high and a low, and they're opposite on or off when they're running. A couple more here. I plan on doing some other things, but I just wanted to show you right now the original pulse motor, and I'll quit talking, put you guys on the tripod and show you. Right now I'm using Jack. I don't know how to say your last name, Jack, but look him up. Here's the schematic. It's on the Roden Coil groups on Google. That's where I got it from. It's very, very simple. I do not have the neon or the rectifying diode. I don't even have protection across my MOSFET right now. Too bad. It's not like I don't have a few laying around. Recycled electronics, love it. So, basically, this transistor is getting pulsed from the high to the low, because this sensor is always low, or I'm sorry, always high, and it goes low, and then this basically inverts it so that I can run my MOSFET. My MOSFET actually is what I'm using. I'm using a battery, 12-volt power source, and that's it. So I got the 1-inch Neo in here. I'm going to go ahead and run this thing up and show you guys. It's pretty sweet. Okay, here we go. Power it up here with the battery. It's on now. Get my Hall sensor in here. Everybody uses glass, but I hear people wearing out their people wearing out their magnets, so I tried some plastic here and put some lubricant in there. It's actually pretty good. Get it going for you there. It cruises. I'll hold the lid on there so it don't go flying. Break something. I get it just right. I can really pick up some speed here. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect power. You can hear it spinning down. So Jack's crazy experiments with his low resonator resonance stuff going on is pretty sweet. I'm not really getting any of that. As you can tell, it's running, but I don't think it has anything to do with resonance. It's just spinning that fast. So, there you go. I'll hook it back up real quick. see if you guys can see the way the magnet's spinning there. I can see it. Can't really see it. It's actually, the axis is on the top and bottom. It's spinning like this direction. That's why it's free spinning so well. Yeah, that lubricant made a heck of a, makes it nice. I'll show you what I got. I got some of this heavy duty silicone. I use this for my Rubik's Cubes. Works pretty sweet. So that's what I'm using. Okay, now what I want to tell you guys, show you guys, and explain what I would like to do with a pulse motor is right now everybody's got, that I've seen, everybody's got a Hall sensor and a single circuit. Now basically what that means is whenever the north or the south, I don't know which one it senses, passes the sensor, it turns on the MOSFET transistor, then the MOSFET. Now basically what you're doing is you're pulsing it one time, and the magnet has to travel all the way around to get to the next cycle. So basically the north hits, south cycles all by itself, and the north hits again, it gets power, cycles all the way around, north again, it continues to do that. Now what I would like to do is build a pulse motor with both the north and the south triggering the coil. So basically the coil would reverse polarity. Now this particular coil, I'm just using it because I have it. It's only got one wind. Next I'm going to show you this coil, which is another Starship coil that I have hot glued. If anybody have not seen this yet, it's pretty interesting. As you can tell, I spent quite a bit of time on this. You can see how nice it is inside there. So I'm going to show you that next. I'm going to show you that I can take a fan circuit, unmodified, hook it up to a rodent, or a Starship coil or a rodent coil, either one, that has two windings. So I'm going to put that on another video because I'd like to call it something different.